Hello Jim, Tech Buzz, new product in, it's the Jabra Elite 5. We're going to do a quick first look and unboxing, so as usual we'll test them out, come back and have a review, full hands-on review with a look at the app and all that kind of stuff, and if you have any questions feel free to ask. So you've got some tips, you've voice activated assistants, you've your iPhone, Alexa, Google, Fast Pair, and you've got app text, you've got Spotify tap, discreet and comfortable durable design, easy pairing and Bluetooth multi-point, so you can connect to more than one device, which is good. Up to 7 hours battery life, 20 hours with case, plus wireless charging, and a powerful 6 mic call technology. So that's pretty much what's on the box there, as you can see, and no knife required by the looks of it. We've pulled tabs this time, so we'll just do that, and you pull down here. Thoughtfully designed and purposely engineered and built. Okay, and another pull tab. You open up, and of course you'll always get the app, check for an update and all that kind of stuff there. And Jabra are committed to sustainability, as we know. Very nice presentation, as you can see here. And I'm loving the look of the colour of that case. So let's pull these both out. And underneath is just your booklets and all that kind of stuff there, so be sure to hang on to them. Alright, let's have a look. So in here is our cable and our tips, and all colour matching, which is excellent. So there's all your tips there. You've got your cable, and again colour matching, which I like indeed. So everything goes nicely together. I'll just put all this back together again and close this up. That should be that way, and that will go in there. So we'll just pop them back in, pop this back in as well. So get here through ANC and more with the latest feature update in the Sound Plus app. Now, you know the Sound Plus app in Jabra is pretty good. We've featured it many a time here on site. And let's have a look. I'm loving this case. Really nice finish and nice touches. So you've got your charging point down on the bottom there. USB-C on the back. Open up and there we go. Look at those, really nice. Let's check for the magnets. Fairly strong. You've got an LED light up front. Okie dokie, so let's pop these off. These little stickers. And see if there's any lights on the earbud. So them magnets are strong, you can even feel it putting them in there, which is pretty good. So that's that. Wireless charging. Let's see if our famous wireless charger will do that in here. Although, yeah, it does charge there, as you can see, the light's coming on. And that's what they look like. So up close, we get a better look. So they do have lights on them. And a pretty nice earbud. So you've got your mics there, as you can see on them there. I'll just try and get that a little bit closer. So you've one there, and you've got some writing on the inside there. So you've got your light right and left. You can also see the sensor there and the clips for the magnets there. And these are push buttons. So they've got buttons on them, which are really cool. So straight away I'm loving the look of these, loving the feel of them, and next of all will be the test of the sound. So that's basically it, a quick first look and unboxing of the new Elite 5. Pretty nice, excellent presentation, lovely case, I'm loving the colour, although it's kind of the same kind of format of Jabra's previous cases, but it's still nice. It seems a bit thinner. I'll have to check up with my old ones. And yeah, pocketable as well, but really nice finish to it, and a nice finish to the earbuds as well, and they look really nice, and I'm loving this colour as well. So any questions, drop them below and we'll talk to you soon for the review, and stay tuned for more on techbuzzonline.com, and thanks again to Jabra for sending these over. We'll talk to you then.